Do you guys notice fupas? Yes, you do. Yes, you do. You all remembered your teacher's fupa. Are we shooting? Waiting on talent. That's what we say in Hollywood when we're waiting for the person who thinks they're the star. Do you struggle with getting rid of things?
Don't worry, you're not alone.
My closest friends are coming over, so me and Mama Mai can decide if what they have is trash or treasure. But real talk, the final decision is up to you. Your trash,
My treasure!
While we're waiting on Mama Mai to shoot this spectacular episode of Your Trash, My Treasure, I want to ask you guys for your personal opinion on something that really meant a lot to me until 3 months ago. When I turned 40, I decided to make a really important decision to start adulting, and part of that was to start owning real houseplants. So I asked the woman which of these little needed the least amount of care. She pointed out one and said you literally only have to water it like once every 3 to 5 days. Ow! Is this alive or dead? It was lush and full and super robust with green leaves all the way down to here. Even though it feels a bit dry, I feel like it's still alive. If I throw it away, then I've murdered it. What do I do? Comment below. Trash or treasure? Mom, are you ready?
I'm always ready.
Bring in Uncle Ted with you.
Uncle Ted, is this your luggage?
Get out.
You always want to sit in the middle.
I'm the guest tonight.
Mama, we're supposed, okay. I try to coordinate you when it comes to our outfits because you wear such outlandish outfits. Can you do the same back to me?
What do you mean send back
When
to
we're
you?
walking around in the same house and we're getting ready for the episode, you should go change because I got changed first. You don't match me and Uncle Ted.
Who cares? A lot of people already know me. Doesn't
Hello.
matter.
No.
My
You're-
gosh.
Hello, Hunnay.
Uncle Ted, thank you for joining us for Your Trash, My Treasure, where we get to involve our amazing fams out there who can deal with the issue at hand and actually throw things in the trash when we say we're going to.
You hear that?
I hear that. I never throw things away.
Huh?
I never throw things away.
You don't either?
No, I don't.
That's why we
What?
are match.
My mom has a shelf full of all of her platform heels from the 1970s till 2019.
Everyone come to my house, they like it. I don't want you go to the house and then bookcase, you look the same. I want something different. You look at, wow, oh my gosh. You know what I mean? That's how I like it.
When you need to wear your shoes, do you actually go to the shelf and pull the shoes off?
Pull it out and wear it and put it back.
she
Yeah,
did.
that's how I did.
She did.
Okay, this is gonna be a
Just
great,
for look, decoration.
great productive episode of Your Trash, My Treasure. I have been going through my things and removing the clutter from my life. The problem is, I live with somebody who goes back in the trash and digs through my stuff and gets the stuff back and brings it into my house to save until she supposedly brings it back to her home in Houston. And it's still here.
Yeah, we did, huh?
Yeah.
So I'm not getting rid of anything. But she's not bringing it to your house, she's keeping it in mine.
This time he come back and bring the big luggage so I can put it in and I can ship over there.
That's
She told me that. Yeah. She's gonna have something for me to bring back.
See, I told you.
so you brought a luggage big enough for every single thing that I'm about to show you? Okay.
Who's he?
Let's start with item number 1.
Oh, bụi không con? No, dirty.
Dusty.
Way back in the Disney, I used to fill the house with super old style. I don't know why I did it. Now I like things a little bit more clean and more sophisticated. I threw this away and Mama Mai brought it back into the house. It's a piece of right?
Yeah. You can sit on it. It's good.
Uncle said you're not helping the situation. This needs to be thrown out. It's disgusting.
Okay. Well, ask the fam.
Come on, what? Yay or nah? Why did you bring this back in the house, Mom?
I like it for decoration only.
She like the old stuff, like me.
Also decoration. You think back about a long time ago, the doctor, like the Wild Wild West, that kind of
That's
movie.
right, that's
That's
right.
the doctor they carry.
They visit home. They visit
They
home
go to
with
somebody's
this.
house. They are a doctor. I
Then
like
watch the movie on your iPhone. It'll take up 0 space. This has been at the house for a year. I just want you to know I will wait to see if you have a luggage that's about to fit everything that you say you're gonna take home. Back in that same time where Jeannie used to peruse garage sales, I picked up this. It's a candelabra. Is this a candelabra? What is this thing? Candle holder.
You can make a book can too, right?
What?
A book can. Keep the book from falling. This.
Feel it.
It's heavy. I know.
It's
It should
very
be.
heavy. It's broken, but somebody
Nobody see it.
glued
though.
it back with a bunch of
It's good.
nail glue. I can tell because it's crystallizing on the ends, and that's what nail glue does. I peeled off the label when I purchased it. The person actually stuck back the label because they found that it would bring more significance to the piece. Allow me to read. Genuine marble is a natural stone. Any variation in color is part of its beauty and uniqueness. Basically saying this is a cheap piece of and if you see discoloration, don't worry, it's beautiful. Why do we still own that?
I like it. This is for my weapon. In case somebody comes to your house, they did something to you, you can knock their head. That's your weapon.
You're gonna break a nail hitting somebody with that.
Good for exercise too, talking about. You see what I mean? Like this.
I like that idea, really.
Uncle Ted, if she goes home packing this and that, you're already over the weight limit.
We split them with 2 luggages. Okay,
Yeah.
50
Oh
pounds,
my God.
50 pounds.
You
see?
guys are the same people.
I like it very much. I like it. No, that's a nice color.
We are frugal
marble.
people.
Not heavy. That's
Like
really good.
Warren Buffett, he still live in a 1968-year-old home.
Who?
Warren Buffett, the billionaire.
What about him?
He's rich, but he doesn't have to, waste money.
Sometimes when you cook something, we have to
Yeah.
put something weight.
When do we have to put something weighty on a piece of food?
Whatever.
Once in a
Sometimes when
lifetime.
you chop the garlic, whatever, boom, boom, boom.
Oh,
put
you
the
need
garlic,
to crush it. That's right. Good
You
idea.
do like this. That's right. That's good. I like it anyway. That's
Yeah.
beautiful. Especially marble, handmade.
It's treasure.
whatever.
Trash or treasure, fam?
You can have it. Absolutely.
Oh
and put
my
it back
God.
there. It's,
There's a label on it that says home goods.
$12.99.
$12.99.
see?
This is a pillow that I did use at one time, but now that I've changed my decor, I no longer need it. It's a nice pillow. I actually want to donate this because I think it's still cushy. It's in great condition. It's only a year old. What are you pointing at?
It match.
cover.
It match with
Match
the
with this one,
floor
don't worry.
rock. It match. Really
Match
good.
right there.
No, it is. It is. Right here. Throw it down right here. See,
Yeah.
it match.
So now it's match.
So your guest can
like
sit
your
on
guests
it.
come over and sit
Yeah,
on
your
it.
guest can sit on it. No, seriously.
But where am I going to keep that pillow when I'm trying to keep this display nice and clean?
Put in my room. I can anytime when I sitting down, I watching the
Exactly.
my
Guys,
cell phone. I do
No.
like this.
By the way, the reason why we've never visited Mama Mai's bedroom is because you can't even open the door. She even has a sign that I threw out. Do you guys remember? Oh my God, it was for the Christmas episode when you were teaching people how to decorate
Right.
for Christmas, which it has nothing to do with Christmas. You bought it at the dollar store.
Put in the tree. I like it. Thank you, Jenny. That's your mom. Jenny. Jenny. I hate her so much. Clumsy girl.
Thank you, Paul.
Oh my goodness. Yeah.
It's so sweet.
Don't
Yeah,
give
let
it to
me
her. She can throw it away here.
Give it to me. Let me see it. She hangs that over the top of her door, so when you walk in, it hits you in the face on the forehead.
So I know that person come into my room. Don't worry. I like it. I like it anyway.
Trash or treasure? Can I talk to you for a second?
see. Sure.
Thought
Talk.
you were gonna be helpful to me.
I am.
Flew you out here to help me clean my house.
I know. I'm trying to be helpful, but so far, all of this still look good to me. So.
Oh my God.
I mean, sorry, and I have to be real too. This still looking good to me. Wait until you see my stuff.
Oh, that's a nice one. I like it so much.
When my room, before it was designed by Kahi, I know you guys love the bedroom makeover. This poof served a purpose in that room. It smells a little funny to me. You can't throw this in the wash. I threw it out. Mama Mai took it back from the actual trash. It picked up everything from the trash and came back in here. There's even a corner, if you can zoom in here. Do you see that?
I think this is trash. I don't
think
like
so?
it either.
Oh,
It doesn't
wow!
look clean to me, so throw it away.
You can wash it and use it again.
No.
Say more things.
The color is not that good either, so.
Well, if you say so.
Can we compromise to at least throw this away?
Throw this thing away. It's taking up too much space too.
Trash!
Yeah.
Yes?
Trash.
Okay, trash.
Bam, I know you vote the same. This is definitely trash. Okay, he will absolutely be trolling all your comments, so feel free to just leave anything below.
You remind me. Bingo.
Mama Mai, first of all, don't worry. Whatever.
You got this in your DM?
Yes.
Oh my God.
Do it again.
Mama Mai, first of all, don't worry. Whatever.
This is so cute. This comes from Lisa Clough, and she says, "Hey there, Mama Mai. My little one loves you. Her name is Izzy. She wanted to make a video for you. Hope you are able to see this and enjoy it. If you would say hello to her, it would make my day." We have to do a video back to her. Let's just shoot one here. Izzy, okay, Mom?
You know you're in a video right now. You can actually just talk to her.
Oh.
Yeah. Okay, we don't know.
Lisa, first of all, thank you for being such an awesome mom. Can we just get a moment with little Izzy? We have a little message for her. We love you, Izzy!
We love
you so much.
Thank you.
That was such a beautiful video. I love you. I hope I get to meet you someday, Izzy. Be good. Uncle Ted, show us what you brought for your trash, my treasure. Oh God. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Oh my God.
All right, wait. This
Okay,
is
oh
this,
my God.
this is what I used to wear to the gym.
Oh my
right?
god! Oh my gosh! I cannot believe it.
It used to have sleeves, so I cut it because it started wearing out.
You not only cut it, you sewed it.
My girlfriend told me, let me tell you something. If Uncle Ted died, you have a lot of money. You know why? Because he came here in 1972.
She's
He have
smart.
only one friend. He wear like shirt like that. That means he have a lot of money.
Yeah.
He save a lot of money. When he died, he have a lot of
smart
money.
woman.
Well, Uncle
She's-
Ted,
You're gonna be rich, Mama Mai.
all you want to be is in your grave 6 feet under with all your money?
Yeah, that would be good.
I'm not even going to ask you guys if this is trash or treasure. We already know. Trash.
No,
Yeah.
no. But you know, I can.
Mom.
Don't throw it. Don't throw it. Okay, hold on.
Oh my God.
See?
No. Take this one. I put it on the floor, okay? Anytime the floor dirty, I clean it and say, I love you, 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 I love you.
I'll buy you a Swifter. You'll be fine. Get rid of it. Get rid of it.
Get rid of it.
I think
Whatever.
Okay, this is the bag that I'm still using. This bag, I got it from 2007 when they have a convention here in Santa Ana. And I love it. It's very convenient, right? Very convenient.
It's held
Your
together
paper in
with
here.
duct tape.
You can put paper in here. You can put your lunch in
No,
there, everything.
he put the tap and he still
Yeah,
use
yeah.
it. Yeah, I told you, if he die, I'm gonna rich.
I-
And he go with Mama Mai celebrity.
Wait, so you're embarrassed by this?
I told him already throw it away, but him.
Why are you embarrassed by this?
Because look at
Mom, your boots were shedding on Utsme's table. Do you remember all the fake leather?
Still good. Everything's still working. See? I mean, come on.
Get rid of it.
It's good.
Trash, right? Fam, trash. Like,
Ask
I
your
don't even have to
fam.
ask.
Ask your
Trash.
fam.
That's a trash.
This is the one.
Oh my
This is
God.
for the one from my ex, and I had
From
it
your who?
From my ex, my ex-wife. And I thought this is so still good. This is for businesswoman, right? Your mom, she's now a businesswoman. Hey man, give it to her.
You thought this gift from your ex should be given to my mom?
Well, it's even better condition than that one.
Say he very cheap, he doesn't want to spend money.
I'm really glad she's your ex. This is not cute.
Her name on it, Pam.
Oh,
Her name right there, Pam.
So what? You can take it out.
You are so cheap. That's her name. She passed away already for a long time by cancer. That's what to me. What's the matter with you?
And you can take it out, get another
let this
engraved.
woman rest in peace. I can't even right now.
You think I'm gonna use it?
Wait.
Treasure. Ask your fam. I have a couple more that
Is
I
it
want to
real
show.
lighter? The next one.
She's
Well, okay.
dead.
See, this is her old cosmetic case.
And you give it to me or what?
Yes, for
Why?
you. This all for you. This one and that one.
You
From
keep
your
it, I
ex
don't know.
who's deceased, Uncle Ted?
Yeah. Well, I mean, you pass it on to the next one.
But not your current wife.
Why you do that for?
Why'd you bring it into my house? And by the
Feel
way,
good.
what year was she doing her makeup? Because nobody walks around with a tackle box full of makeup anymore.
Can you open it?
No, I forgot the combination. So I forgot.
How can I use it?
Well, it's too late now.
Why don't you buy for me a new one?
It's too late.
What if she's got hella money in here? There's something in there, guys.
That's one.
This one, I had it when I first get out of college back in 78. I use it until I start using that bag. They don't make things last like this anymore, right?
They don't make it anymore for a reason, Uncle
look, let
Ted.
me
We
see what
have
it's
things
inside.
that are much more lighter and savvy looking.
See, everything is still nice.
No,
I
I
mean,
don't
come
like
on,
it.
guy. This tiny little.
What, your wife
from my
do?
ex too. Nice. Put your jewelry on. You know what? This could be your little purse.
Actually, it's really cute. I could polish this
See,
up,
my
but
ex has a lot of taste like you.
You think so?
That's
why
really
you
nice.
marry me because I look like her?
Yeah, you are a little bit more beautiful. A little bit more.
Oh my
Okay, guys, she's here with us. Can we just, I just want to be clear, no disrespect to Uncle Ted's ex. May she rest in peace.
Let it go.
Okay, so
I
let
don't
me-
want a ghost come to my house at nighttime.
So let me bury it.
Mama Mai has a beautiful tradition of gifting our guests when they've come to Trash or Treasure. We want to make sure you go home with your hands full. Mama Mai?
I have a little gift for you. $5
I am
only.
cheap and you are cheaper.
Whatever. I bought it from thrift store. But very
what
beautiful.
store?
Thrift
Thrift
store.
store.
Thrift.
Thrift.
Not thrift. Thrift.
It's not a tip. It's a
Thrift
thrift.
store.
Tip. Whatever. Tip. Whatever.
Oh, that's nice. No,
That's very
really.
beautiful. You
I
never
like
know.
It. I like it.
Munay?
Big Plim.
Munay?
What is that for?
Yummy.
My big or something?
You don't have a big so don't worry about it. My God.
Oh my God!
Yeah. He's Asian anyway.
Mom!
Hold on. We got to overthink about it.
D.
D. What is that?
D is for that big D you've got. All right.
D, what is the minute with that or what? What?
My treasures.
You've got a really, really big heart.
Big heart.
Okay, that's good. Thank you so much for watching Your Trash, My Treasure with us. Please comment everything. I need to hear everything. We love you and we love our Uncle Ted. Say bye, Uncle Ted.
Bye-bye. Thanks, fam. We love you.